Alright guys, so I want to walk you through how to reset a Sonos speaker. This is a Sonos one, obviously, but the process is going to be the same no matter what type of Sonos product we have. It might be different for the Sonos Move, but for every other product, we have those buttons on the back. So I know even on the Move, you have the button there. But for my Arc, for my Sub, they all have this button, and we need this button to reset it. What you do is you unplug the Sonos, okay? And then we're gonna press and hold the button. We'll plug this back in and keep holding the button until the light on top starts flashing white and orange. That will let us know that the speaker has reset, and we'll probably see it remove from our system because we'll then have to go back and add it back in. So let's do this. I'm going to press and hold, plug it in. You can see the light right there. It's flashing white. And there we go. Now you can see that it's flashing white and orange. It's still here. So let me back out and see if it removes itself. Close this out. Okay. Did it remember it? So now I'll go back, I'll add the speaker. Oh, we'll get the Bluetooth. Okay, add speaker. It's going to search for nearby components. There it is. Getting your Sonos One ready. Continue. There's the audio pen. And we are back to being connected. So easy video today, guys. I hope it helps. If it does, if you could, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. See you next time.